I could honestly, if I wanted to, obviously, though, it's another level of helping me out. You could take the candles away from me. I don't give a shit about that. Take them away. I don't give two shits. If I wanted to trade without the candles, I'd just say I'm going to wait for the break here or I'm going to watch for the drop here. I don't care what you look like. Will I use the L2 and will I use volume? Do I look at the EWO, right? Do I see, is there any type of trends? Am I looking for pattern? Yeah, I'm doing all that. But honestly, if I put it down to its most simplistic, rock bottom, give me VWAP and you can shitty ass candles. Bye. Done. How's that sound? Bet you've never heard that before out of anybody's mouth in the history of stock futures, options, or crypto trading. If this is going to break up here, look at it. Breaking through resistance, and it gives me that nice put like it's doing right now. Then I'll get into it. I don't care. And then as long as it stays up there, what do I care what the candles are doing anymore, right? You can dance all over. I want to get in this, but I need to wait to see what this candle's going to do. Because usually when you have a run candle like this is going to pull back half candle rule. So I've got to be very cautious. FOMO will catch you. If this candle will start to pop the previous candle, though, I don't think I have. Do I have it? Yeah, I do. There we go. I can buy quick. I can buy quick, get out quick. I do not recommend what I'm about to do. This is not for you because I don't have a stop in place when I do this. So none of this is for you. And if I was alone, this is how I'm trading it. By the way, who's excited for the platinum room where you guys can actually just watch me do about what I'm about to do right now the whole time? Anybody?
So excited.
Show you guys a little trick of the stalls. Coach, how did you do that? Why was it so fast? What the frick just happened? Shh. You don't worry about it right
now. Too funny.
Boom, $100.
I love you, Coach.
We're hunting rabbits over here. You don't worry about it. Okay? $100. Could I have made more? Absolutely. You want to know why? Because I love that to the long now. Love it. What did I say? Wait for the break and hold of what? Come on.
619.20.
Is it a break and hold above 619.20?
It is.
There you go. Bye-bye. Thank you. Thanks for playing. That's nice. Thanks a lot. Now remember, since it broke through resistance, it has to become support. If it can't be support, it will be complete lights out. But right now, it's support. Now, I want it to come down, tap, tap, tap. That would be great because then it really shows us buyers are sitting there. That's all support is, by the way, is buyers sitting there. That's why the L2 is so important. Right here, though, I could get in off this 9. Why? Tell me now.
Minus support.
Support.
Yeah. And where's my stop?
Just below it.
So what's my risk?
Very minimal.
What's the reward?
Maximum.
Well, for crying out loud. Well, why don't we just do it? Why don't we just do that then?
Do it now.
Do it. Do it. Now.
Because I locked in my green earlier, Coach, and not taking any more trades to risk it for the day.
Good job, partner. Good job.
That there ain't that itch.
Yes. Yeah. So again, right, if you start to get bored later today, don't even turn Webull on or your trading brokerage account. And all of you, I'm being dead serious, right? Like, if you did what you're supposed to for the day, don't even turn it on. I'm serious. Boredom will be your enemy. If you want to do anything, just come in and listen to the room, right? Or whoever the coach is, or jump into moderation or watch some videos or whatever, but do not turn on Webull because if you turn on Webull, it's too easy to go, Oh, well, that looks like a good trade. How many have you done that? Oh, that looks like it's, oh, that's a nice